how to fix Telegram download stock. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you're gonna find all the apps that you have in your phone. Click on Telegram right here when you find it, and after that when it will take you to the app informations page. Click on force stop and then click on data usage. Disable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data here, and after 2 seconds enable them back. After you do that, now all what you want to do is open the Play Store or the Play Store if you have Android, search for Telegram and update it. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial.